Have you ever been stuck with a locked Toyota radio after a battery change? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate your Toyota radio unlock code in seconds for free. Introducing Toyota Unlock Radio, the simple tool that unlocks your Toyota's radio in just a few clicks. Here's how it works. First, you need to find your radio's serial number. Once you have it, simply type that serial number into the serial number field in the Toyota Unlock Radio program. Next, all you have to do is click the Generate button. And just like that, your unique unlock code is generated. The best part? Toyota. Unlock Radio works with virtually all models of Toyota radios. So you're probably wondering, where can I get this amazing tool? I'm going to show you guys how to download it. All you have to do now is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can Toyota Unlock Radio program. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.